Tahimik, walang simptomas, pero pwedeng ikamatay. Alam mo ba kung ano ang isang silent killer ng mga babae? May isa akong pasyente, late 40s. Wala namang iniinda. Pero lumalaki daw yung tiyan niya, pero akala niya bloating lang. After ultrasound and test, advanced stage na ang ovarian cancer. Ovarian cancer is called the silent killer for a reason. Walang obvious na simptomas sa early stage. Pwede mapagkamalang simpleng kabag, bloating, irregular period, or mabilis mapuno ang tiyan. At kapag naramdaman na ang mga ganito, minsan late stage na. Wala tayong national screening test tulad ng pap smear for cervical cancer. Pero kung may family history ka ng breast, ovarian at colon cancer, mas mataas ang risk mo. Kung may nararamdaman kang kakaiba, lalo na kung paulit-ulit, persistent at hindi nawawala, magpatingin ka agad sa iyong OBGYN. Baka ipa-transvaginal ultrasound and blood test ka na niya that they can help detect it early. Kung may family history, genetic counseling and preventive care might just save your life. Early detection is not always easy, but awareness is your first defense. Dr. Carla here, your V-Confident OBGYN bestie. Real talk lang, walang filter, just facts, care, and science.